This one, the element for the electrical hazards and control, because everywhere we use the electrical equipments, electrical items. That's why at old time the human beings are not depends on the electricity, but now we have the different the electricities are there, because we generate the different way. We generate the electricity because in case of thermal, the electricity is there, solar energy there, wind energy. By using this one we are generate the electricity, therefore the generators are using. Okay, this way we get the electricity and use our routine our life purpose. Okay, this one is the electrical hazards and controls, this unit is explains. And in this one, the electricity, the introduction. In this electricity point of view, the first each year in the UK point of view, United Kingdom, nearly the 30 workplace deaths are happened. This the UK location, nearly the 30 workplace deaths happened, and also 30 domestic deaths also happened. Because the how the way these things are happened means the only the 30 domestic deaths due to electric shock, and also electric burns and electrical arcing. This is electrical arcing is nothing but the, this is a discharge, electrical discharge. This one is known as the electrical discharge, because sometimes this is electrical wires. This we have some discharging here, some radiation like here. This is known as the electrical discharge. Therefore, this is known as the electrical arcing or electrical arc, or fires also, because some the positive negative if you touch means automatically burn here, maybe fire coming. And also some of the items short circuited, some of the items may be overheated and get the fire. And explosions also, because some items, some material due to this explosions. This is the symbol of the electric shock. This is the symbol of the electric shock, means the arrow is downside here, this like means this is the symbol of the electric shock or risk of electric shock. Therefore this location, this symbol is there means automatically you think it, okay, about that location, because that location is very dangerous, and also maybe electrical wires are there, therefore electric shock is there, therefore never go that side. And also the most of the locations, this type of maybe the skeleton, the picture is there, this is danger symbol. This is also, this location is very dangerous, because danger symbol is there means automatically you are very carefully the work at that location, and also never go that side, that is very important. Okay, these are the electricity introduction, and also the how many the fatalities are happened, and also these the fatalities maybe deaths, the maybe the causes also mentioned. This is electric shock, electric burns, and the electric arcing, fires, the explosions. And these are the very important terms as a the NEBOSH guide, because everybody nowadays we are operating by using the electricity different equipments. And also as a NEBOSH guy you know about the what is the electrical safety also very important. Therefore the electrical safety point of view, you know about the basics of the electrical engineering. And the electrical engineering guys, they get the full knowledge, nearly the 4 years course engineering degree, or maybe the polytechnic degree means nearly the 3 years course. But here in this electrical engineering means nearly the 4 years. In this 4 years, at maybe in first year only they give the basics, the same basics also mentioned here. And also maybe your maybe in case of your ninth class, or maybe in 10th class, okay, SSC like here, 10th standard, and maybe this the UG level something. This location maybe you just only know the maybe some few the basics of the electrical terminology. In this mostly used, the first one is the current. The word is mostly using current. Okay, it is the very widely used, but most of the people they are thinking this is used one is the current, but not real one. But originally, for example, if switch off, okay, for example, unfortunately no power, means most of the people are called no power, not no power, no current. This is not correct word. The power is the correct word. Why power means we are using at a home purpose, means used one is the power only, not current. Okay, power is nothing but the combination of the voltage and also the current. Okay, most of the people are calling this is current only, but not current. This is combination of the voltage and also current. This is known as the power. Therefore, this is used. This is house purpose. Use the power. Generally, at our houses, the 230 volts power supply are using here. 230 volts power supply. Sometimes 180, maybe 220, 230, 240, like we get the power. Okay. Before here the voltage is the 230 volts, maybe 1 ampere or 2 ampere. This is the current rating is there. Okay, this one 230 volts, and also that's why maybe your the house bill also mostly in a horsepower, or maybe in watts only. Any bulb also, for example, this type of general purpose, this is the bulb. Okay, this is the bulb. Okay, in this bulb also the rating is mentioned here. Okay, the rating is mentioned here. In this rating, this is the filament. This is a rating is mentioned. What is this? Is 60 watt bulb. 60 watt is means power, nothing but 60 watts power. Okay, or 20 watts power or 12 watts power, because nowadays it is consumes very less power, because LEDs are nowadays LED bulbs are using most of the people. Why LEDs are why now the very popular means it consumes very less power and gives the more brightness. But old time we have the 60-watt power, but now they just wanted 12 watts, same like the 60-watt power, like only very good quality, the very good intensity, very good the illumination. We get the very good light from this one. Okay, the now the mostly are everywhere using this type of the 12 watts, and maybe tube lights also using tubes. Okay, the tube lights, tube lights also using tube light here, this one. That's why this light is named called the tube lights, and floodlights, and also on different lights. These are all are the glow whenever if you connect the power, the electricity. Therefore, this automatic glowing. Therefore, these are the different names are there. Electricity or electrical energy or electric power or simply the power or some location electrical energy or energy simply. These are the different words are used for this purpose, the electrical energy purpose or electricity purpose. Therefore, in this Dubai also we have the Dava is there. Dava is nothing but Dubai electricity and the water authority. Water authority. Therefore, this is the electricity department. Therefore, the electricity is the mandatory everywhere. Every the equipment is operated on depends on only the electricity only. At home also, all appliances, home appliances depends on electricity. Maybe cooker, maybe sometimes in case of the fridge, washing machine, oven, this all items are depends on this electricity. Okay. Therefore, what is the definition of fundamental definition of electric current, or simply known as the current? This is the very fundamental one. What is the current? Current, the current. Okay, what is the current? This is represented letter is the I. This is the I, capital I or small I also represented. Okay, this is current is represented small I or capital I. Some books are represented small I, some books are represented as the capital I. Okay, this is the current. This current formula equal to number of electrons. For example, if you consider the one, this is the conducting the material. Okay, in this conducting material, you have the number of electrons flow. For example, in this the conductor through, how many electrons flow within the second. For example, in this second maybe the 10 electrons are flowing. Means this is represent number of electrons flow within the second. For example, 1 second. This is known as the current. For example, 10 electrons are flowing means 10 by 1 second. This is nothing but the 10 amperes, like 1 second. This is 10 amperes. This is how they were represented letter A. Okay. The current is represented as the A, the capital letter A is the the current. That's why the most location, if you check any fuse, maybe any socket, we have, or any the electronic equipment backside, we have presented maybe 230 voltage, maybe 2 amperes or 1 ampere. Means this is ampere is nothing but the current. Okay, 1 ampere current or 2 amperes current. This is the V represents the volts or voltage, nothing but simply. This is the voltage, the units are the volt, nothing but V. The current or the units are the amperes. Okay, these are very the mandatory things. Okay, therefore here these are the electrical terminology. This mostly use. Okay, the current is the number of electrons per the second, or if you consider the one conductor, in this conductor at a standard temperature, how many electrons are flowing within the second, 1 second is known as the current. Okay, current equal to number of electrons, this is electrons flow by within the second. Okay, 1 second. These are known as the current definition. The current, the definition, or simply the current flow or current definition. Okay, here the mostly we have the three types of the materials are available in entire universe. The three types of the materials. The one is the first one is, I will tell you here. The first one is the conductor. This is the conductor, and next one is the insulators. Insulators. This in between we have the semiconductor is this semiconductor. These are the very important. The materials are there are conductors, insulators, or semiconductors. Okay. Therefore, here conductors means these are the allow the electricity, because here in this material the electricity is flowing. These are known as the conductors. Okay. Therefore, the conductors examples are maybe iron, okay, copper, lead, and so on. Anybody tell me what is the best conductor in the world, entire world? What is the best conductor? Best conductor, the best, the conductor in the universe. Please give me the answers in the chat box. Okay, anybody give the answer? For example, in best conductor, you think about this one. Best conductor in the universe. Please, best the conductor. Okay, some people are told copper, some people are told aluminum. Okay, aluminum. Okay, anyone? Copper, aluminum, any? You think it just you wrong or right? No problem. You tell me. Okay, copper. Okay, copper, aluminum, copper. Okay, three members. Huh? Right. Okay, good. Here, the best conductor in the world is the first one is this is the gold. Gold is the best conductor in the world, entire world. The gold is this is a pure gold. Gold is the best conductor in the world, best conductor. But the unfortunately, gold used for the ornament purpose. Okay, maybe wires, maybe these wires may be manufactured by using gold means that is impossible thing. Okay, that's why the gold is only used for the ornament, and maybe in case of this is financial matter purpose only. Therefore, the gold. Okay, this is the best conductor in the entire world. After the second one is the silver. The silver is the best conductor also. That's why silver also used for the maybe ornament purpose, or maybe at a home, maybe some of the just a household appliances like maybe the puja type something, these items. Okay, these are the use of silver. Okay, therefore maybe silver plates, silver cups, these are used the silver. Therefore, this gold and silver is very high cost. That's why the mostly they use the copper or aluminum wires, maybe the iron type of the wires also used. Okay, these are the comparatively the cheaper rates compared to gold and silver. That's why the copper wire or aluminum or some other maybe wires are used for this purpose. Okay, therefore the first one is the conductor. The first one is the conductor. Okay, the second one is the insulator. This insulator, everybody know it, this insulator. Insulators are in this does not flow the current. Okay, insulators does not flow the current. These are known as the insulators, does not flow. Because if you apply this current to this one, never flow inside. But in case of the conductors, these electrons are moving here automatically in electrons. These electrons, E minus electrons, are moving inside. This is electrons minus or minus like here. These electrons automatically moved in this one. But in case of any, these examples are insulators. Best example are maybe rubber, plastic, or paper, plastic, paper, or these are the maybe mica. These are all are the best examples of the insulators. That's why if you use maybe the rubber gloves, if you touch any the electric wire also, never shock. Why? Because these are the insulators. And also wood also, one of the good insulator, wood also. Okay, and maybe in case of maybe leather, the items also, these are the best insulators. And the third one is a very important one. These are the semiconductors. Semiconductors means these are not a conductor, these are not a insulator, but these properties are in between the conductor and insulator. These properties are in between only. And also this is partially conduct the electricity. Partially, these are known as the partially conduct the electricity, is known as the semiconductors. Okay, partially allow the electricity, these are known as the semiconductors. Therefore the best the semiconductor materials are silicon and germanium, Si and Ge, germanium. This is the silicon dioxide is nothing but SiO2 is known as the sand. That's why our maybe laptops means processors or mobile phones, all are our TV, radio, everything is manufactured by these semiconductors. Which material using? The silicon material is widely used. Okay, these are the semiconductor materials. Okay, these are the very important material for the manufacturing of our the electronic items. Therefore, our TV, radio, all are depends on these semiconductor materials. The semiconductor materials are the silicon and germanium. Mostly silicon is a nothing but the sand, means SiO2 nothing but sand, and sodium chloride, NaCl nothing but the sodium chloride is nothing but this is known as the salt. Sodium chloride nothing but. Therefore, silicon dioxide is nothing but a this is a sand. This is available everywhere. Sand is available. That's why easily manufacturing the our semiconductor items, TVs, radios, processors, all the everything maybe core i5 processor. These are all the silicon based the semiconductor. These are the processors because the different generations are there. First generation computer, for example, first generation 1G. In this first generation, use the vacuum tube version. Second generation, use the transistor version. That's why the name called transistor radio that time. And third generation, use the ICs. Okay. And the fourth generation, use the this is VLSI, the technology. And fifth, this is ultra large scale, different the large scale, because in case of one single chip, very small chip, nearly 1000 maybe transistors are inserted, means 1000 operations are done by the small chip. But whole time maybe the one computer means our room, that much of space is occupied. And also the one radio that time is nearly the one fridge, that much of space is occupied. But now only small single IC, integrated circuit IC, chip or chips, nothing but integrated circuit chip. Very small chip is do the this works. One chip, for example, mobile phone, very small size. The mobile phone is a very small size. In this small size, for example, in this small size, just only if you consider the small size chip, in this small size chip, we have a lot of functions. Maybe this small chip for the radio, this small chip act as a camera, like this small chip act as a the tape recorder, like here MP3 player. One is the maybe the computer, like this way. The very small chips are converting to bigger operations. That's why this technology, electricity, is very popular. This first, the department is the physics. From physics to this different departments came here. The physics to mechanical, and in the mechanical also the civil and the electrical department. In this electrical department is the converted into the electronics department. The electronics is converted to the computers department. In this computer, nothing but we have the software engineering, maybe information technology, different branches are nowadays. Okay, basic is the physics, okay, and the mathematics also combination. Okay, therefore the electrical terminology is very important, because as in Eboshke, you know about the few things about the this electrical terminology. Okay, here first one is the volt. Volt is the pressure difference, or the unit of measurable of the electrical pressure. This is nothing but a volt. That's why any the item have the 230 volts, or this like here mentioned here. This is volt. V nothing but the volt, or this is represented as voltage. Voltage units are the volt. How they were represented? Letter capital V is represented. This is 230 volts. Ampere is the current. The unit of the current is the ampere. Okay. This is pressure difference or voltage also mentioned here. Voltage also. This is also known as the potential difference or pressure difference or voltage also. Ampere nothing but the unit of the current. Okay. The unit of measurement of the electric current flow. This is the ampere. This is represented letter capital A. Ohm. This is the resistance. This is the symbol is the this is the ohm symbol. This is omega. This is omega ohm symbol. Okay. This is the resistance. The unit of the measure of the electrical resistance. Resistance is nothing but the opposition capability, the flow of the electricity. For example, electricity is flowing. Then this resistance means in this material occupies some, the resistance is offered, means automatically stop the electricity. These are known as the resistance. Okay. Or these are known as the resistors. This the element is known as the resistor. Resistor. This property is known as the resistance. This property is known as the resistance. The units are the ohm. Okay, don't worry. These are the very the little terminology only. Don't worry about this. Only basics only. You learn it. That is better. Okay, voltage units volt represented capital V. The current unit is the ampere represented capital A. Resistance the unit ohm, the symbol is the omega. Okay, for example, this is I will tell you. For example, fan is there. Fan resistance of the switches are there. For example, one switch, second switch, third, and numbers are there. In this, if you press fourth one, means this fan is rotating very fastly. For example, one means very slow, somewhat fast, the medium fast, very high fast, the fourth one. Because here in this condition, if you press this fourth one means it offers the very less resistance. Means less resistance means it flows the more voltage. Okay, therefore automatical fan is rotating more. If press one, it offers the more resistance. Automatically less voltage is flowing, less voltage. Then automatically speed also the decreasing, right? It offers the more resistance, the speed is decreasing. This is the fan principle. Fan. Okay, the regulator using also the knobs 1 2 3 4. This like these are the resistance, the property. And also the mainly the two types of the currents are available. One is the direct current and the alternating current. Our home used current is known as the AC. means alternating current only we are using. For example, here also we are using AC, means this is the alternating current. Direct current is nothing but the DC. This is from the generators. From generators, we generate the electricity. Using generators, we generate the electricity. These are known as the direct current DC. Okay, in this, the mostly, for example, this one, just in case of the frequency, the measure frequencies means this wise here. For example, this is the alternating current AC, means this is a positive, negative, positive, negative. This is known as the AC, the current, the waveform. This one, AC current waveform. This is known as the amplitude. This is known as the time period. Okay, don't worry, because this is only few things only this way, because these are the equation oriented. Okay, and here plus minus here. That's why this alternating current means one time is more force, next time is less force, means more shock, this time is less shock, more shock, less shock. That's why here plus minus plus minus. But in case of the direct current means direct only, this one, no frequency, the frequency is 0. The alternating current is the frequency the 50 cycles per second, or this is also known as the hedge is invented this way. That's why the frequency represented in HZ, hedge. Okay, this is one of the scientists is do the experiment. These are known as the hedge or HZ. Therefore 50 hedge. Okay, for example, if you buy any electronic equipment or any electrical equipment, you check it, the back side we have the electrical rating are there 230 volts. Okay, 50 hertz comma 50 hertz. 50 hertz nothing but frequency is the 50 hertz, 50 hertz. But in case of the India, UK and Dubai, UAE, these all countries use the 50 hertz frequency. But in case of America, use the 60 hertz frequency, 60 hertz frequency, 60 hertz frequency. Clear? But we are using only UK system. Everybody we are following, because the UK people are ruled our country, and also the UAE and also know it. That's why the UAE also mostly the follow the UK rules only. That's why the Nibosh is very popular in UK and this the Middle East countries all. Therefore, everybody follow the, and also Canada, they follow the Nibosh only. And also this Nibosh is recognized by the IOS also. That's why Nibosh is very popular. Okay, clear? Direct current is the DC. This is from the generators. Alternative current is our using houses are the alternative current only. Okay, the frequency this is the frequency just only the cycles per second, because these are the cycles. These are known as the cycles per second. This is up to this one is the cycle. Up to this one. This to this watch is known as the cycle. Means this way is known as this is the one cycle like here. Okay. Okay, anybody tell me AC is the danger. For example, we are at home. For example, laptop charger is connecting now, and also mobile charger is also connecting. In this, the which one is the danger one? Okay, the AC is danger or DC is danger? Please, give the answer. Which one is the danger one? Danger one, danger. AC or DC? Anybody? Just only give the answer. Okay, right. We get the two answers now. Okay, DC, good. Right, correct answer. Okay, DC is the very danger comparatively AC. Why? Because at a houses only we use just maybe in case of our mobile charger, maybe 5 volts only maximum using, 5 volts DC. But in case of maybe the laptop chargers, maybe 20 volts DC only. Okay, 20 volts DC only, because we have the charger pin. This is the one the converter is there. This is converts AC into DC. This is the rectifier, AC to DC. That's why small box like is there. Here we connect into this is mains, and from this one it is AC signal is converted into the DC signal. maybe 20 volts coming from the this laptop batteries or something like here. Therefore, our 24 voltage also 24 volts also. Okay, therefore 0 to 30 volts. The mostly, for example, I'm doing the experiments in my engineering. I'm doing the experiments only this much of DC power only, 0 to 30 volts DC power. Okay, but in case of at houses, 230 volts AC are using, 230 volts of AC using. That's why this AC power is more. But same 230 volts of DC using means very danger. 230. That's why the AC is less power comparatively the DC. DC is very dangerous. Okay. Therefore, already explained conductors a material that allows electricity to flow easily. Example: copper, steel, water. Okay, water also one of the conductor, but not the perfect conductor like, because if your water is using, you put here one wire here. After you take one wire and connect it to the one bulb is never glow. Why? Because this is the wastage is there here in this water location. But you take the steel wire, copper wire means automatically bulb also glowing. Okay, and insulator, material that have high resistance to electrical current means does not flow the electricity. These are the plastic, rubber, wood, and also space also. For example, space means this air. The electricity is flowing means we are already everybody is died. Okay, but unfortunately God is created the never flow electricity in the air or space. Okay, but our electrical energy is converted to electromagnetic energy by using this one. Maybe towers, all are this type of the towers, only the electricity. Okay, these are the electricity is converted to the electromagnetic energy. This electromagnetic energy not harmful, but little bit some the only radiation is there, but nothing, no shocks, electric shocks. Nature of the electricity. This is the Ohm's law. The Ohm's law is the higher the electrical pressure means V, or the lower the circuit resistance, the higher is the current that flows in an electric current or electric circuit. This is represented as I equal to V by R. Or Ohm's law states that at a standard temperature, voltage is directly proportional to the current. If voltage is increasing, then current also increases. Therefore, if you remove this proportionality constant, use equal to means proportionality one of the constant using, that is R I. Okay, in this I will tell you once again, V is proportional to I. Okay, this is the proportionality constant. This is known as the proportionality constant. Means voltage is increasing means the current also increasing. Therefore, if you remove this proportionality constant means V equal to nothing but this is R into I. Means we take this proportionality point of view, we take the one the constant term, that is the proportionality constant. V equal to R into I. R is known as the resistance. Okay. Therefore, this is formula also. This is I equal to V by R. This is I equal to V by R. This is formula. R I is measured in amps, which is the electric current flow. R V is the measured in volts. This is the potential difference or pressure, potential pressure. Okay. This is R equal to resistance is measured in ohms. This is ohms. Okay. Clear? I equal to V by R. Voltage by resistance. This is the one problem. Okay. For example, what is asking? If the applied voltage is 230 volts, V is given. V equal to 230 volts. Okay. 230 volts is given. V equal to. And resistance R is given. R equal to 1000 ohms. 1000 ohms. Therefore, here they want current. Okay. I equal to R, capital I, small I, no problem. V by R. Okay. V by R. This is equal to I, nothing but. This for 1010 cancel. This is nothing but 0.23 simply. 0.23 or 230 milliamperes also. 230 milliamperes also here. Okay, this way you are calculating I equal to V by R. If you give the voltage and also resistance is given here 1000, you substitute these values, you by using your calculator means you get the full answers automatically. Easily you get the full answers. Okay. Okay, you do it at your home. Maybe I will give you this question. Maybe 2, and this is the voltage equal to 230 and current equal to 2300. This is resistance equal to 2300. What is the current value? Just only the calculate here. This is cancelled here. Okay, and the 23, this is 100 times 1 by 100 equal to 0.01 amperes, right? This way you are calculate the current and resistance. Also you calculate here from this resistance also you are calculated, no problem. Means change the formula. Okay, I will show the formula. Because whole time this type of questions are coming, but now is IG2 is cancelled, not a exam, only practical only. That's why don't worry about this one. This type of questions are not coming. Okay. Okay, this is the power. Okay, power equal to, okay, power equal to the electrical power. This is the product of the voltage and current is known as the power. Okay, V is measured in volts, I is measured in amperes, P is given in the watts. That's why power in watts. If you calculating power equal to, for example, power equal to, if you multiplied both, if I want only voltage equal to this current is the other side is the down coming, P by I. That's why if you take it here, if you remove this one, for example, the V equal to means P by I, right? And the similar manner, yeah. For example, I want I. Okay, you close this one, I equal to P by V. Okay, this way you are calculating. Simply, this is the triangle for the power triangle, and also the voltage triangle also you are taken. Voltage triangle. How the way drawing here? Okay, this is V, this is I, this is R. Okay, V equal to IR. I want I means, for example, I means this I equal to V by R. This way, R I want means R equal to V by I formula. R equal to V by I. This way, you are easily that tell this type of the formulas. Main dangers of electricity. First one, the electric shock. Okay, in this electric shock, maybe contact with the live parts, maybe direct contact, maybe indirect contact, maybe coming to into the contact with the conductor that is supposed to be live. Maybe automatic direct contact means wire is there. For example, this guy is working, maybe this electricity wire, electric wire. Unfortunately, he directly contact this one means this is sometimes indirectly contact means coming into contact with a conductor that is not live in normal conditions, but has become live due to a fault automatically. But you are touching here the one equipment. Unfortunately, this location maybe some the leaky there means wire are automatically loose. If you touch it, unfortunately, this is indirect contact. This is arcing means maybe automatically we have the discharge. The electric discharge is coming. Okay, fire and explosion, burns. These are the main dangers of the electricity. Severity of electric shock. Maybe these are the current in amperes, length of contact time, how much of contact. For example, current in amperes means the electric shock severity means seriousness. You are considered, for example, means the how much maybe voltage automatically that guy is maybe died or maybe injured. Therefore, that is depends on the current also. Current means maybe 2 ampere current or 5 amperes current, maybe 10 ampere current. 10 ampere means automatically he died. This way. Length of the contact time also. Maybe this this guy maybe touch this one, the electric wire. How much time? More time means automatically he died. Path through the body means how the way coming this electricity. The path also. Maybe sometimes ordinary the maybe less resistance ones. No problem. And the conductivity resistance of the body, and also the human being also. I know some of the people they working with the electricity, they never wear any gloves. They are directly the connected because those people have the more resistance. Okay, Therefore, our body also have the conductivity and resistance. Conductivity for the electricity, resistance for the this electric current, electric voltage. If you more resistance, your body means you don't have any shock. Okay, if your current is flowing means automatically die. This is the main means how much the conductivity level and resistance of the body also. The voltage also 230 volts, or in case of, for example, maybe um, our trains are there. How much? These are 23 kV. Okay, 55 kV kilo. This kilovolt. This one not ordinary. Kilo means 55,000. But how much are using? Only 230 only. But this is how much? 23,000. 23 after 3 zeros. Okay, but here only 230 volts only. We are most of the people also electric shock. Maybe they die also. But in case of 23 kV means, that's why the nature of the contact also, and also age and health status of victim also. Maybe victim, maybe injured guy. The age and health also. Maybe old people means not existent. Now also due to this corona, okay, most of the old people maybe after 60, they never survive. Why? Because those people also have the maybe the blood pressure, hepatitis B, and also these are some of the diseases automatically they have. That's why this one is attack means automatically those the diseases automatically the increase. That's why age and health status of the victim also very important. This is the seriousness of the electric shocks. If a person has received an electric shock, okay, then never touch him automatically. For example, one guy is electric shock. Do not touch injured person until the current is switched off. Then you go to the switch off the maybe that line, electric line, or use maybe in case of rubber, maybe any the stick, okay, or plastic type items. Only use it better. If the current cannot be switched off, stand on some dry insulating materials and use a wooden or plastic implement to remove the injured the person from the electric source. Okay, that's why if you have any guys, maybe the electric shock means never touch. Okay, maybe administer first aid if you qualified. Maybe if you need means, and also the provide the just the first aid also, and also the qualified person also need, and call professional help also. For example, maybe automatically some items are automatically may burn due to this electric shock. Then automatically maybe one guy may be injured automatically. Therefore, maybe they call urgently to the maybe the officials, maybe in case of the professional. You call, that is the better thing. Okay. Main dangers of electricity. This is the first one is the arcing, fire explosion, burns. Already the before also I told arcing. Electricity can jump an air gap, the causing shock effects to persons not in contact with conductor. For example, this is the two electric wires, unfortunately. For example, electric rods. These two automatically they leak it automatically internally also. If you never touch automatically, because due to leak, this also means that is the discharge, nothing but electric discharge. Okay, or electric radiation. This is known as the arcing. That time also maybe get the maybe danger. Fire explosion also. Maybe flow of electricity generates heat. That's why some of the items working more means automatically heated. If large flow passes through the unsuitable conductor, heat can lead to fire automatically. Heat is converted into the fire and burns. Heat of arcing or excessive flow through body causes tissue damage, burns also automatically. Maybe touch means automatically this electric shock. Some people are maybe the electric shock due to the electrically shocked means their hands also burn. Okay, the more burns also. Causes of electric fire, inadequate circuits for the current, and also maybe sometimes overloading also. For example, this electricity maybe 5 bulbs only glowing, but the people are thinking maybe 10 bulbs are using the same location, the same voltage. That's why that is known as the overloading. Okay, that time also electric fire is come. And also incorrect fuses also are nails. Fuse incorrect fuses means this is fuse. Maybe next we have the, I will explain you this fuses location. Incorrect fuses, maybe example nails something. This the incorrect fuses also the problem, because automatically why the need of the fuse, whenever if your wrong current is flowing, then automatically this wire is broken. No, the current flow this way, then automatically stop here. Okay, therefore means fuse means how the way connecting fuse means this is the positive supply and this is connector here, this like here, this way, this is fuse. Okay, in this fuse the one small wire is inserted here, the connection. If you have the more, maybe any the short circuited, maybe damaged, overflow current is coming means automatically this is the open means this is the broken automatically. Fire means this is automatically open. Therefore, the current is never flow from this to the item, maybe any TV this way. Therefore, protected means this is fully connected means this type of the high voltage is coming means automatically this TV, these electronic equipments all are damaged. Okay, therefore incorrect fuses also very dangerous. Damaged wiring and insulation also. Insulation because not proper insulation. Loose connections also problem. Maybe overheating of cables also means more time using means overheated the cables. That due to this one the heating electric fire. Overheating due to thermal insulation also, and also overheating due to lack of ventilation. That's why in case of the more people, for example, the 20 the laptops are working in one room. Automatically, maybe 1 hour is working means the room entire room is heated. That's why compulsory they provide the cooling system. Maybe ACs are providing. Okay. Therefore, the overheating due to lack of ventilation. We are provide proper ventilation, and also flammable materials to close to electrical equipment. Okay, some of the electrical equipments close to this one means automatically sometimes this electrical discharge is coming. That is known as the electrical arcing. Okay, due to this electrical arcing, automatically that the electric maybe any the flammable materials automatically burn. Okay, and fired. Okay, these are the causes of electrical fire. Effects on body of electricity. Maybe that automatically damage the nervous system, and also maybe a heartbeat problem also, maybe that is known as the fibrillation. And also automatically in case of the tissues also the burns, and also maybe no the in blood circulation also not there, entry and exit also not proper, and also maybe internally organs also damaged. Okay, and also maybe some of the muscular the contractions also, maybe for example muscular problems, the internally the bones, maybe joint location some pains, never touch. Okay, due to this the electricity problems. Okay, maybe electric shock, and also physical the trauma, nothing but the physically they are the fully damaged. Okay, the entire the body, the stopping breathing also respiratory problems. Okay, and also sometimes maybe the hand and leg also not working, that is the respiratory paralysis. Okay, stopping breathing also, and also stopping the heart, maybe cardiac arrest also, maybe means automatically maybe this one electricity cardiac arrest also means heartbeat also automatically not working. Okay, these are the effects on the body of electricity. Okay, the secondary effects of electric shock. Falls from height. Okay, for example this guy maybe electrical the poles are there, electrical poles unfortunately working. Okay, this one maybe the falls from the height. Okay, maybe unintentional movement of the machinery, unfortunately the machinery there, this is unintentional movement of the machinery. Failure of control measures, maybe security systems. Okay, sometimes maybe the security system also fail because every time is monitored. Loss of information, for example this guy working, but the downside have some fuse is there, maybe switch off first, now he's working. Unfortunately one guy is no don't know, then he came and is connect the fuse. Okay, fuse is on automatically on the this electric, maybe the switchboard, then this guy is automatically dead. This is the loss of information corporate reputation also the problem. These are the throw off, maybe sudden movement of the body also. Unfortunately, the sudden movement of the body maybe touch this one automatically. These are the secondary effects of electric shock. These are the electric production devices. These are the name of the fuses. Okay, this fuses means how the way connecting. This is switch like is operating here. For example, switch means this is first is just the closest switch leg. This is closest switch leg. Okay, this is closest switch leg. If maybe more voltage coming means, for example, this location, some other location, some TV is connecting. For example, more voltage is coming means, okay, this wire is conducted means this high voltage is flowing through this wire and to up to the TV automatically damage. Therefore, this high voltage is coming means this locations, this small wire is damaged. Therefore, damaged means automatically no connection between these two. The same principle applicable in these fuses. Okay, in this fuse, you check it here. This type of fuse. In this internally, the small wire is there. Okay, if no wire means this is fuse is damaged one. Okay, if wire is there means okay. Therefore, if you connect it, then this is very safely. This is 13 ampere, 13 means 13 amperes. Okay, these every electronic equipment have the fuses are compulsory. Okay, circuit breakers also maybe breakers. Okay, and also earthing and also isolation means the production and a reduced voltage, battery operated tools, resistance current devices, and a double insulation. These are the electricity production devices because these are fuses used to protect from the electricity. Circuit breakers, if more voltage is coming means automatically the circuit breaker is the off. That's why sometimes your home also maybe automatically this circuit breaker is off, maybe downside. Then you go and maybe on the circuit breaker. Okay, these are known as the breakers. Okay, and the isolation means the production. Here maybe the equipment. We are fully the productive equipments. Reduced voltage also maybe small. This is a reduced voltage, small voltage using. That's why battery operated devices. Reduced current devices also RCDs. These are known as RCDs. Double insulation. The more insulation. If you touch this one, no problem. Okay, these are the production devices. Electricity. The fuse advantages and disadvantages. This is the especially designed weak link which is designed to the melt at a the predetermined value of current. Okay, advantages. This is very cheap, maybe 1 dirham or 50 pills only this one, and protect maybe the 5,000 dirhams one equipment automatically. This is cheap and readily available, protects equipment automatically. Disadvantages will not protect individual. For example, human being, this is not protecting. Okay, slow to operate, not fast like maybe the breakers like. Inaccurate, not 100% accurate. Maybe sometimes we are directly connecting also. Unsuitable or wrong fuse may be used sometimes. Easy to override. Needs tool to replace. Maybe the replace it means any tool is need. Tool means any screwdriver is need and remove this the fuse and the insert new one. These are the circuit breakers. Maybe this is this switch, maybe downside here, upside like here. Okay, downside means here maybe the on off, maybe upside means on like here. This is electromagnetic devices which perform the same function as fuses but operates faster. But in case of fuse is very less. The advantages automatically trip under fault condition. That's why, for example, house maybe sometimes maybe our the house the electricity tripped. Okay, means this is the more maybe unwanted current. Maybe the over current is coming means high voltage. Then automatically trip under fault conditions. Okay, no tools required to reset. No tools required. Not easy to defect. Maybe if it damage means remove it automatically. Protects equipment from the overload. Okay. Disadvantages maybe mistaken from an RCD. Okay, means proper purpose only using and do not protect the individual. do not protect the individual. Okay, this is the residual, this is the reduced voltage systems, because this is the one of type of system. This is electrical system, because this is the transformer. Okay, the transformer is the primary, this is the secondary. Okay, at outside also we have the different transformers available. Okay, and also in case of our the charger also, the internally we have the small transformer is there. Okay, this type of the transformer, this is the transformer. Okay, therefore here maybe this is one the mixer, for example. Okay, this is a cement mixer, for example. Which for example, human being, which parts location mostly the affected. Okay, this height means this height location, some electric shock due to this palm. Okay, and this location, this way, some locations as a human being. That's why this explains one the cracksman rule is there. This is explained this one, because the human being which locations mostly uh, affected, that is the craftsman. Okay, residual current devices, RCD. Okay, the compare the electricity flow to the equipment with the return flow, and if a difference is defected, the equipment is oscillated. Advantages: rapid and sensitive, difficult to defeat, easy to use, test and reset, cannot to be reset with a fault on the circuit also. These are the advantages. Disadvantages: this is known as this one, residual current devices, RCDs. This location is on off switch is there, and also the socket is there here. May isolate crucial equipment if one RCD covers a number of the distribution points. Example, freezers and computers also. Mechanical device which the could fail also, sometimes no overload production. These are the disadvantages. Means the RCD covers the all, maybe the more devices also. This is residual current devices. The portable equipment, maybe electrical equipments. The accident caused by the using unsuitable apparatus. Okay, sometimes maybe not suitable that equipment. Okay, that is known as the accident caused by using unsuitable apparatus, inadequate maintenance of misuse. Maybe sometimes maybe use a defective. That's why if a defective apparatus means you touch means automatically that is shock, electric shock. And modifications by unauthorized personnel, maybe outside people are came and maybe they change the properties. Modification wish list, maybe the appliance is live, using equipment is unsuitable in environmental, no system of inspection or removal of damaged equipment. Okay, sometimes maybe that the equipment is damaged, but unfortunately not maybe the buy the new one, or maybe replace the new one, or maybe in case of the inspection is done miss and repair it, but unfortunately not repair due to no system of inspection or removal of damaged equipment. These are the hazards of portable electrical equipment. Maybe areas to look at the at for hazards, maybe plug, cable, joints and appliances. Okay, plug means areas look for hazard, maybe fuse location. Plug means fuse location, damage to plug casing, incorrect wiring, earth wire detached. The cable means run over, maybe dragged, trapped. Heat, maybe sometimes corrosive also chemicals, flexing and also insulation. Joints location means makeshift, leads pulled out of the cord grip also, and also sometimes incorrect wiring also, and also earthing also, sometimes not properly give the earth also, poor earth connections, and sometimes maybe positive this side, maybe this is three phase, but unfortunately wrong connections are given. Appliances, maybe casings, one connection. These are the hazards of the portable electrical equipment. Maybe the mostly these areas have the some hazards. Okay, maybe the your time is completed. Maybe I will check it here. How many slides are remaining? Okay, the shall I continue? Only 4 slides are remaining. Shall I continue or not? Stop it? Can I continue or not? Yes, okay, completed. Okay, okay, okay. Just only the 4 slides are remaining. Just okay. I will complete this flow slides within maybe 5 minutes. Okay, another 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Okay, here the precautions using the portable equipment. The precautions. For example, in this portable equipments, the reduced voltage operation are using, maybe reduced voltage operation, very less voltage. Maybe some of the residual current circuit breakers are used, it means automatically the portable equipment point of view. And also the protect the overloading also, properly insulate the cables, and also the correct sheeting means the correct proper in case of the outside, the case is there. For example, case means outside one, this frame outside one, the properly the sheathing, this one, the properly correct the sheathing is using, sufficient socket outlets. For example, these sockets outlets also, for example, three items means three purpose only one socket, only two items never the inserted. Use of cable drums also, correct maintenance and repair, and also reduced the voltage operations also the same, also the both the same, the word coming here also. Regular inspections and checks also compulsory in the electrical equipment. Properly trained staff is need electrical location, because maybe live electrical means very dangerous. Okay, therefore these are the very precautions used at the portable equipment conditions. The types of inspections, maybe user checks, formal the visual inspection. Okay, and also the combined, maybe the inspection also, means this is the one type of the inspection, because the electrical location, for example, this is known as the if you have any the 1 to 10 dirham shop, you check, you have the multimeters. These are known as the multimeters. Okay, the multimeter, this is function of the multiple functions. Okay, these are done the multiple the functions. Okay, because here measure the resistance. Okay, you measure maybe resistance also, how much voltage also, how much current also we are measured it by using this one. AC DC also we are measured by this one, this equipments, AC DC. Okay, this is for example AC voltage, this is a red, this one is the 0 5 10 15 AC voltage, you are easily measure it. This is the DC volts in millivolts, here downside here this one, and also this upper one also you are measuring the AC voltage also, downside also the DC. Here consider this one is the DC purpose, this is the AC, means 0 to 200 up to 1000. Okay, PAT testing nothing but the portable appliance testing. Okay, this is the United Kingdom, this type of the testing is using. Okay, the PAT testing is the portable appliance testing. Okay, the every time maybe equipments you are checking, okay, how much voltage is coming or not properly, the visual inspection also, any wire loose or not, and combined inspection, maybe PAT testing, maybe the portable appliance testing, this type of the portable equipment use it, how much voltage and everything. Okay, the frequency of inspection, the maybe manufacturer recommendations point of view, the age of equipment, maybe one equipment, this is the one cutter, saw cutter, the electrical item, maybe 5 years completed but not working, maybe that's why the age of equipment also. Robustness of equipment, maybe strongness, and also double insulated or earthed also considered. Types of cable also, armored cable or maybe the any this type of the copper cable, and also the different types of the cables are there. And also extent of use, maybe sometimes this equipment also 5 years, maybe some 1 year also maybe using, means maybe some of the wheels may be changed, wires may be changed, and also users of equipment, maybe environment also we change, abuse or misuse in case of any equipment, the history of equipment also you consider. These are the frequency of inspection and test these all the things. Maybe environment also you check it, maybe weather is problem. Okay, by using the electricity means working means very dangerous. Okay, abuse or misuse, maybe equipment, some of the equipments are misusing means very dangerous. Okay, therefore the frequency of inspection and test also very important. Reasons to keep records of inspection and testing of electrical equipment. For example, say, but here what is using just only electrical point of view. But same, the records why the future purpose. Okay, how many accidents happen? That purpose only the keep the records and inspections. Okay, and testing records. The inspection by authorized person, who is the check the particular electrical equipment, that purpose used. In case of test label removed, maybe sometimes in case of maybe inspected, maybe 1/7/2020 the inspected. Unfortunately, this label is removed means where it is checking. That's why this we are refer this book means easily get the information. Test frequencies maintained also. Record actions of faults rectified or not. Maybe one location saw some socket is problem. This location, maybe this man, maybe the inspected, maybe the 1st July, maybe now with the 11th July, now we rectified or not. This verification purpose also use. Okay. These are the electrical safety in office environments. Okay. Equipment of approved standards also maintained, and compulsory the proper electrical installations done, and also every time the maintenance, maybe the weekly or monthly also the fixed the electrical installation done, and also the isolation properly, the isolation also done, and also the connections wiring free from the defects. Maybe any defect is there, that location not the any the connections are not a problem. Okay, check it, correct fuses use it, plug it correctly the wire, no overloading of sockets, maybe appliances switched off when not in use. Pad testing in date means the portable appliance testing, the cables correctly routed or not, maybe cables correctly the installed or not. RCDs, residual current devices are used or not, means why RCDs, this is fuse like RCD, because if you use means if anything is happened then automatically this RCD is not working, maybe the open switch like, then never the current flow never damage any equipment. System for reporting of defects also. The precautions for on working live equipment, maybe trained and competent staff is need, because the experienced guy, maybe the electrician, maybe in case of supervisor level, or maybe in case of the engineer level, accompanied by another person also, not single person never work the electrical location. Maybe one guy is maybe the electric shock means some other guy maybe they help it. Okay, use maybe in case of any the plastic or something, they hit him, then on stop the power of the adequate information about the risk also. Suitable insulated tools, insulated barriers or screens also the providing. Suitable instruments and test probes. Okay, insulated barriers means this is the safe zone, this is not safe zone, that like you are providing the barriers. Suitable instruments and test probes, personal protective equipment, rubber mats, or maybe rubber gloves, or maybe a rubber shoe, this type of we are providing. Permission to work, maybe work permit is mandatory. Okay, POT, PTW, permit to work is need, and restricted access also. Maybe unauthorized persons, maybe outsiders never allow that the region. Okay, right. This is the maybe I very fastly I finished this one, maybe due to the lack of the time. Already 7:30. Okay. Maybe the thanks for okay, maybe the kind patience listening. Okay. Okay, all the best. Maybe next also I will announce you. Maybe next tomorrow Sunday, maybe Monday also I will take the one session. Okay. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Good night.